paw feet.
Hi, I'm Crochet from Pocket Yarnlings. I hope you had a chance to go through all the other animal shaping tutorials. Today I decided to do something a little different, which is a bit more detailing. I've actually gone through how to make different faces as well as bodies, and today we're going to do a very short and quick tutorial on how to make paws for your animals. So for this particular tutorial, you can work it into a cylinder which can be sewn onto the main animal body, which is fairly simple. I just wanted to show you how to make the paw part of the whole leg, and if you found that this tutorial was helpful, please remember to comment below, as well as give me ideas on what other animal parts you would like to see me make. So let's get started on the tutorial. Let's start making the paw. Start with chain 9. Single crochet end to end. Continue single crochet all around the chain to make a round. Continue into round 4. Single crochet all around the round in round 4. Round 4 completed. Rounds 5 to 7 are completed here already. Steps for round 8. 3 treble crochet bubble stitches. Round 8 completed. Steps for round 9. Round 9 completed. Paw foot piece. Hope you enjoyed this animal shaping tutorial. If you want to see other ways to shape your animal, remember to go and check out the playlist that I've included below, where I show you how to shape like the ears, the snout, the body, as well as like what you and paws as well. So and also don't forget that I have a free animal shaping starter guide, which is available below, so you can check out the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. So I hope this video actually has given you some ideas on what to do for your next project, and then I'll see you in the next one.